Look at how thirsty your dog is. He built up quite a thirst today. I let him come out to romp around, and I heard Nacho squeaking. So I let Nacho in and let your dog out. Because, well, God, you're clumsy. He likes to run and jump and play. Oh, look. See, I'm thinking it started somewhere over here. See that? Do you know what that is? I hear this racket out here. And I come out, and do you see what that is? No, you sit. Yep, you're a pretty smart, stupid dog. What did you do? You want to show Daddy what you did? Yeah, he does. Yeah, he caught a bird and ate the fuck out of him and took feathers. Sit. I'm not going to take your prize. He's like very protective because apparently that gift is for his daddy, not for his mommy. Yeah, so your dog caught a bird and it's pretty gross. Gage. No. Oh God, I don't want it. Yeah, he's trying to give it to me now. Awesome. Your dog, like, totally ate a bird.